Once upon a time, in a hidden village nestled deep within the misty mountains, was a home filled with whispering secrets and enchanting mysteries, the home of the Madrigals. The Madrigal family was blessed with wondrous gifts. Louisa, remarkable for her titanic strength, could heft the mightiest rocks. Camillo, with his gift, whispered to the animals, commanding their allegiance with the least of phrases, and Isabella could peer into the murky depths of the future, unraveling its tangled threads. Yet there was one, young and full of dreams, who alone felt untouched by magic's touch, Mirabel. With a heart brimming with gold-like purity, she walked among wonders without wonder of her own. How out of place she felt as she watched powers dance around her, a parade she could only spectate and never join. Then came the eve of the grand celebration, a festival, rich with echoes of laughter and colors shimmered with magic. On this day, Mirabel embarked on a daring journey, her heart set on discovery. She slipped away from Encanto, weaving through the shadowy veil of the forest that guarded their village. The forest was a place of old magic, where twisting paths hid secrets and shadows played and danced with the light. Mirabel's journey bewildered her. She met creatures with eyes that glowed like lanterns and plants that laughed when tickled by the wind. Yet, underneath the marvel, a sense of suspense lingered like a mysterious hug. As the sun dipped behind towering trees, casting long shadows that cloaked her in darkness, she found herself by a shimmering pool. There, residing in an ancient tree, was Abuela Alma, the tree spirit, the guardian of forgotten stories and unspoken wisdom. Child of no magic, crooned the spirit, its voice like the rustling leaves, do you seek power? With a nod, Mirabel confessed her longing, a story not unfamiliar to the wise tree. The spirit's eyes twinkled, deep as the universe. Your power, it whispered, lit not in strength nor in foretelling, but in weaving hearts into harmony. With those words, Mirabel felt a stirring, a magic subtle, yet boundless awoke within. Realization dawned upon her like the morning sun breaking the night's hold. Her empathy, her ability to listen and connect was her true gift, the gift of uniting hearts. Empowered by newfound confidence and understanding, Mirabel returned to Encanto, her aura as vibrant as the sunrise. The village was alive with anticipation, every eye eager to witness the Madrigal's marvels. But that night, amid the whirling displays of magical gifts, Mirabel stepped forward. I have a magic, she declared, her voice calm amidst the clamor. A magic that does not bend boulders nor sing future songs. It is the magic of hearts. Her words, gentle as a breeze, spread through the crowd. Faces softened, frowns lifted, and bonds, once strained, were mended. Love and understanding whispered between the villagers, revealing the beauty of their diverse gifts. The celebration turned into a story of unity, all threads tied by Mirabel's empathetic heart. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.